It started many years ago when I was training as a graduate student at Rutgers University, working with Paul Lear, Branya Vashilo, and Evgeny Vashilo, and learning about heart rate variability biofeedback as an intervention to reduce anxiety. And at the time, they were using this clinically to treat asthma, for depression, to minimize anxiety. And I came along, Dan, and I said, well, can we use this to optimize performance? Do you always have to have a deficit for heart rate variability biofeedback to be useful for you? And they said, well, that's a lovely question. And little did I know that would be the next 15 to 20 years of my research and practice. And I used this with the Rutgers golf team for several years. And it was fascinating. We saw improvements in performance, and then we saw increases in GPA. And then the coach said the relationships on the team were improving. And you started to see the amazing benefits, multidimensional benefits of gaining greater physiological control, meaning how your body responds in peak moments. So maybe it's on the golf course when you're putting at the 18th hole, but maybe it's when you're talking to your partner and having a conversation that you have differing views on, or maybe it's talking to a supervisor or a boss, maybe it's leading a team. But we have so much emphasis in Western culture on the mind. And I love that. I'm a clinical psychologist by trade, but I really believe in how the body actually is an important component of how we behave and even think. And so being able to teach athletes how to gain control over how their body responds during critical moment or stress or challenge became the entryway, the porthole through which I began using this to help people in all forms of performance improve health and their ability to perform at their full potential.